In this video I'm going to show you 10 powerful healing benefits of eating aloe vera and how to prepare it. You've probably heard of using aloe vera as a topical ingredient, but with rising popularity people are eating it in smoothies and juices. But why is this? Well, aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality because it can live and bloom without soil. Aloe vera has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and studies have linked it to various health benefits as well. Most of us, when we think of aloe vera, think of a cooling clear gel that we can slather on hot skin after we've been in the sun for too long, and to help our skin cool down after a sunburn. The aloe vera plant is a super-hydrating ingredient with anti-inflammatory properties, which is why it's been used to treat burns for centuries in many different cultures. But what are the benefits of eating aloe vera? Number 1. It may suppress inflammatory signals. In animal and test tube studies, aloe vera extract suppresses inflammatory signals. Oral aloe vera gel is widely used by patients with inflammatory bowel disease and is under therapeutic evaluation for this condition. Also, using aloe vera for joint health has become popular due to its positive effect on inflammation. The combination of other benefits make oral aloe vera a good choice for providing overall joint support. Number 2. Metabolic balance. Loaded with minerals, aloe vera supports a healthy cellular enzyme system and makes our metabolism function as it should. There's calcium for bones and teeth, and cellular signalling in zinc and magnesium, which are essential for our metabolism, plus magnesium keeps your nerves and muscles, heart rhythm and bones healthy. Chromium enhances insulin that provides energy to cells. Other minerals include copper, potassium and sodium. The latter two help keep our electrolytes in balance. Number 3. It can reduce dental plaque. If used as a mouthwash, aloe vera juice may be just as effective as regular mouthwash in reducing dental plaque buildup. Number 4. Immune system boosting. Aloe vera is a good source of vitamin A, C, D, E, B, B1, B2 and B12 and folic acid. Vitamins A, C and E are antioxidants that help to protect cells against heart disease and cancer. And the folic acid can help increase the antioxidants in other healthy foods to absorb vitamins and nutrients. Vitamin B12 aids in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular and nervous system, along with serving multiple metabolic functions. Number 5. It's rich in antioxidants. Regular eating of aloe vera gel may raise blood antioxidant levels. Antioxidants help combat the damage caused by free radicals, which are compounds linked to many chronic diseases. Number 6. Skin repair and hydration. Consuming aloe vera gel can also improve the health of your skin. Along with treating acne and acne lesions, psoriasis and eczema and other rashes, it also helps to keep your skin supple and hydrated. Number 7. Muscle development. Aloe vera has 20 amino acids essential for the production of muscle tissues, 8 of which are not naturally produced by the body and must be supplemented in your diet. There are also 7 key enzymes that can enhance nutrient absorption and help break down food. Number 8. It may boost memory. In one animal study, consuming aloe vera gel helped enhance learning and memory whilst also reducing symptoms of depression. Number 9. It may reduce blood sugar levels. Preliminary research suggests that the intake of aloe vera juice can help improve blood glucose levels and may therefore be useful in treating people with diabetes. In human and animal studies, aloe vera gel helped reduce blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. Number 10. Digestive regulation. Studies have found that aloe vera is beneficial to the digestive system and overall gut health as well. It can aid with bouts of heartburn and acid conditions. It also alkalizes the body and helps to counteract foods and the cause of indigestion. It aids in reducing inflammation, blood pressure and balances electrolytes, especially important after a workout. So what are the possible side effects of aloe vera? Aloe vera leaves are comprised of 3 parts: the skin, the gel and the latex. They're best known for their gel, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. Whilst most people apply the gel to their skin, it's also safe to eat when prepared right. Aloe vera gel has a clean, refreshing taste and can be added to a variety of recipes including smoothies and salsas. To prepare the gel, cut off the spiky edges on top and alongside the aloe vera leaf. Next, slice off the skin on the flat side and remove the clear gel and dice it into small cubes. Make sure to wash the gel cubes thoroughly to remove all traces of dirt, debris and residue. Latex residue can give the gel an unpleasant bitter taste. The latex is a thin layer of yellow liquid between the skin and the gel of the leaf. It contains compounds with powerful laxative properties. Long-term consumption of aloe vera latex has been linked to side effects including stomach cramps, kidney problems, irregular heartbeat and muscle weakness. Eating too much latex can have serious and potentially fatal side effects. In contrast, the aloe vera skin is generally safe to eat. It has a mild flavour and a crunchy texture, perfect for adding variety to your summer salads. Alternatively, the skin can be enjoyed by dipping it into a salsa or hummus. You can also soak the skin in water for 10 to 20 minutes before eating if you find it too tough to chew. It's also very important to choose leaves from the aloe vera plant and not from other aloe species, as these may be poisonous and therefore unfit for human consumption. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 10 powerful healing benefits of eating aloe vera and how to prepare it. And if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 52 amazing uses and benefits of aloe vera juice. Thanks for watching and bye for now.